With 82 fresh cases registered during the past 24 hours, the total number of COVID-19 confirmed cases in the state has reached 763 today. According to an official report, the number of active cases now in Manipur stands at 545, while 218 individuals have recovered from the disease and discharged. The state has no record of COVID-19 related death till date. The COVID-19 cases in Assam crossed 5,000 mark after 102 fresh positive cases in the state were reported last night. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that the state has reported 102 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total number of infections in Assam to 5,006. Another 27 people have tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday in Tripura, taking the tally to 1,182. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, who is also the Health Minister, informed that of the 1,279 samples tested for COVID-19, 27 people were confirmed positive. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched a massive rural public works scheme, the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan, to create jobs for millions of migrant workers who returned home during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to a media report, Modi launched the scheme worth Rs 50,000 crore through video conference in presence of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Kumar Modi. The coronavirus caseload in India is on the verge of crossing the 4 lakh mark as the country, in a fresh spike, recorded over 14,000 new infections in a single day. According to reports, for the first time, India yesterday reported 14,516 fresh coronavirus cases in a single day, pushing the country's COVID caseload to over 3.95 lakh. As per data released by the Union Health Ministry, India's total infections stood at 3,95,048 today. In the past 24 hours, India's death toll mounted to 12,948 as 375 people died across the country due to the coronavirus. 43rd Assam Rifles posted at Moreh yesterday arrested a drug peddler along with 871 grams of brown sugar and 1,000 pieces of WY tablet worth around Rs 1 crore 70 lakh and 72,000 in the international market, a report said today. The drug peddler was arrested along with the contraband items near KLP along Imphal-Moreh Highway. Former MLA of Nauria Pakanglakpa Assembly Constituency R.K. Anand today demanded by-election to the constituency, which is now without an MLA. The seat is vacant following Soibam Subhas Chandra being disqualified. Talking to reporters at his Kwakaithil Akham Laikai residence, Anand said that the constituency has been left without a leader amid the current political crisis in the state. Assembly constituencies of the state continue to lift PDS items, especially rice allocated for June 2020 and whole grains allocated for May month from godowns located at various parts of the state. The Manipur government has been distributing PDS items in all districts of Manipur to ensure none suffers because of non-availability of food grains during the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing lockdown, a government release said. 9 Indian Forest Service IFS officers, including the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife, were transferred by the Chhattis government yesterday. The decision to transfer the IFS officers came after the death of 6 elephants in the last 11 days in the state, as per a media report. 8 more officers, including the Divisional Forest Officers DFOs of Balrampur and Dharamjaigar, where the elephants died, were also transferred. China's government yesterday said it claimed the entire Galwan Valley, the site of the June 15 clash on the border, including areas that are currently on India's side of the Line of Actual Control (LAC). In a statement, the Foreign Ministry accused India of unilaterally building roads, bridges and other facilities in the Galwan Valley region and said the Galwan Valley is located on the Chinese side of the LAC in the western section of the Sino-Indian border, according to media reports. In a hard-hitting speech, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo yesterday attacked China for its rogue attitude in its neighborhood, specifically mentioning its recent border attacks against India. The PLA People's Liberation Army has escalated border tensions with India, the world's most populous democracy. It's militarizing the South China Sea and illegally claiming more territory there, threatening vital sea lanes, Pompeo said during an online conference on democracy in Copenhagen, Denmark.